So let's examine how to do network analysis with R. And here we do a simple demo of doing network analysis, and we use the library iGraph, which is one of the many different opportunities to do network analysis in R. And then we start by looking at the data, and the data looks like this. So each row is a person, and each column is the person, and 1 means that they know each other, and 0 means that they do not know each other. And we get the data in, and because it's an adjacency matrix, we need to form it into a proper network, and it's done. We start by looking at various network characteristics, like the degree. So this is the way how you can compute degree and get a bit of understanding on what's going on with the network. Here are statistics about the degree. Here's the plot of degrees on the network. So we can see that most people seem to have about 10 to 20 different contacts. Then there's a few super connectors who are 50 to 60 people being connected there. And so here are tasks that you can do to sort of work on this, and then really sort of think about the documentation and reading the documentation. I'm also looking at, or one way of beyond looking at these descriptives is to also plot the network, so visualize it. So here we have the nodes. Each of these dots is a person, and each of these arrows is a connection between those persons, and you can see that the arrows do have directions. So some arrows like this here and this here, they go both ways, but we can see that this arrow does not go. So V60 knows someone in here. It's so cluttered that we cannot see, but that someone does not know that person back. That happens in networks. Plots are nice ways of visualizing this, and then I just want to sort of show that by changing what happens on the network, so you can modify the color of the vertices. So that is the nodes. You can say that they must be white. You can modify their size to be relational to the size of the degrees. You can modify the colors of the edges or those sort of ties between those two, and then you can modify layouts, different kind of layout opportunities, and then you can run and get a different kind of plot from exactly the same kind of data.